Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what many consider the best Lenovo Monitor Power Cord on the market. The WZXHU 65W laptop charger compatible with a wide range of Lenovo Thinkpad models. This charger is designed to deliver a reliable and consistent power supply with an output of 19.5 volts and 3.25 amps, providing 65 watts of power. That makes it an ideal replacement or backup charger for your Lenovo Thinkpad, ensuring your laptop stays powered up whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. The charger features a distinctive yellow square tip connector, so it's important to verify compatibility with your specific laptop model before purchasing. This power cord is not USB-C, so make sure your device uses the yellow square tip style. With an input voltage range of 100 to 240 volts and support for 50 to 60 Hz frequency, this charger can be used worldwide without any issues, making it perfect for travelers. One of the standout features of this charger is its build quality. Manufactured by Dongguan Cymer Electronics under the WZXHU brand, the charger undergoes rigorous quality control to meet top industry standards. It's constructed with safety in mind, incorporating multiple protections to safeguard your device from overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. Included with the charger is a 3-prong power cord that extends to a total length of 9 feet. This generous length allows flexibility in placement, whether your power outlet is near or far. The charger itself is lightweight at just under 11 ounces, making it easy to carry along with your laptop without adding bulk to your bag. For those concerned about value, this charger is a practical choice. It offers a no-questions-asked full money-back guarantee within 30 days of purchase, plus a free exchange for 12 months in case of any defects. This kind of customer assurance reflects the confidence the manufacturer has in their product's quality. The charger's compact dimensions make it easy to handle, measuring approximately 1.9 by 5.4 by 8.5 inches. This ensures it won't take up much space on your desk or in your travel bag. Whether you need it as a primary power source or a reliable spare, this charger delivers consistent performance. In summary, the WZXHU 65W laptop charger stands out as a dependable and versatile power cord for Lenovo Thinkpad users. It combines wide compatibility, solid safety features, and user-friendly design to keep your laptop running smoothly. If you're in need of a high-quality replacement charger that won't let you down, this could be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights.